Sakthi Dental Clinic, Mullukuruchi. Dental implants are artificial tooth roots that are surgically placed into the jawbone to support replacement teeth. Here are some key things to know about dental implants. 1. Procedure. The process of getting a dental implant involves several steps, including a consultation, implant placement, healing and integration of the implant with the jawbone, placement of the abutment, and placement of the replacement tooth or teeth. 2. Materials. Dental implants are typically made of titanium, which is a biocompatible material that can fuse with the bone in the jaw. The replacement teeth are typically made of porcelain or a similar material that mimics the look and function of natural teeth. 3. Benefits. Dental implants have several benefits, including improved appearance, improved speech, improved ability to eat and chew, and improved oral health. Implants also help preserve the bone in the jaw and can prevent further tooth loss. 4. Candidacy. Candidates for dental implants typically have good oral health, sufficient bone in the jaw to support the implant, and are not smokers or have quit smoking. Your dentist or oral surgeon will evaluate your individual case to determine if you are a good candidate for implants. 5. Care and maintenance. Dental implants require regular care and maintenance, including daily brushing and flossing, regular dental checkups and cleanings, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Proper care can help ensure the longevity and success of the implants. Overall, dental implants are a popular and effective solution for replacing missing teeth and restoring function and appearance to the mouth. If you are considering dental implants, talk to your dentist or oral surgeon about whether they are right for you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.